couple of MEGA65 programmers, Gürçe and BAS, reached out to ask for assistance. The two collaborated with the BAS demo group to participate in Syntax 2022, a demo party held in Melbourne, Australia on November 11th and 12th. What was the BAS demo group's goal for Syntax 2022? Well, it was to create the most kickin' MEGA65 demo using both assembly language and BASIC, while honoring the legacy of one of Australia's beloved treasures. And I'm not talking about haggis. But I'm not going to spoil the surprise. The demo disc includes both an assembly language demo and a BASIC demo. After the demo, I'll share my reactions and additional information sent to me by Gürçe and BAS. By the way, I'm capturing this demo from hardware and not in emulation. However, if you want to run these demos in emulation, you can download and install XEMU on your Windows, Mac, Linux, or even Chrome OS device. Now, on to the demo, Xanadu by BAS. So that was the assembly language version. Now let's check out the basic version. And I love that these demos always have shout outs to those who've influenced the creator or influenced the community. So let's watch those credits continue in the next video. Well, that was unexpected to find a shout out in that basic demonstration to yours truly, retroCombs. Thank you for that, Gürçe. I really appreciate that. I was not aware that that was going to happen, by the way. Now, just to be clear, I had absolutely nothing to do with this demo. Both developers reached out to me and asked if I could take time to capture and share their creation, since I had the capture equipment and a channel full of MEGA65 fans. I was thrilled to be asked, and now after seeing these demos, wow. While the assembly language version does a great job of highlighting the hardware features of the MEGA65, I was particularly blown away by the basic version and can't wait to dig into the basic code to see how parts of that demonstration were created. Now, when Gürçe reached out and asked if I would share this demo, I said, hey, do you have any additional information you'd like to share? And here's the paraphrased information he sent my way. This is the second MEGA65 demo to feature at a demo party, but the first to highlight the VIC-4 capabilities. The BAS goal was to bring together a collective of creative coders to explore the capabilities and limits of the MEGA65. When one demo group or team sees this, the hope is that other demo teams will try and push the hardware even further to their limits. Spoiler, there's another demo team hard at work with plans to reveal their work at an upcoming demo party. Hey team, let me know if I can help you feature your work. Can't wait to see what you have in store for the MEGA65 community. You know, retro computing fans should not be surprised by this demonstration. Even in 2022, demo groups continue to exploit old hardware, and Commodore computers are a favorite target. We've even seen recent demos for the Commodore 64 and my beloved PET. I hope you enjoyed this MEGA65 demo. If you did, leave a comment below. Thanks to Gürçe and Dethi for the opportunity to share the BAS demo group's work. My wannabe programmer geek side has to wonder, am I now an honorary member of the BAS demo team? By the way, if you like this video, check out my part 1 playing the Commodore C64 demos from the MEGA65 onboarding SD card right here. If you want to learn more about the MEGA65, check out my introduction to the MEGA65 video right here. At this time, remember, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, everything down below, and retroCombs out.